You miss your younger days, but living in the past is a price that others pay. Now you're standing on the state line, afraid of what's ahead and getting left behind. Hey man, you're not alone. 'Cause everyone's gotta face the music. 'Cause everyone has crossed that line. No one's getting by without some heartache. Everyone's looking for a sign, throwing fuel upon the fire, hiding secrets in the dark. Shout aloud, you curse tomorrow, someone love this lonely heart. Hey man, you're not alone.
These bad habits all make me cold since I've been letting people in. Ooh, these limbs are swollen. Ooh, as long as I am rolling and keep my feet touched down on the ground. Here, take my lead. If you're taking my hand, better watch what you buy and sell. We've been jumping the rooftops and the tight ropes and trees, 'cause we figure that we might as well go and make a living. Hope that all will be forgiven when our feet touch down on the ground. Will you hear what I say? If you wanna go a different way, then you're welcome to find a change of road. We can want a hell of a lot, but we can want that we've got, and we can walk. All these empty rooms, walls that fall by the light of the moon when our feet touch down on the ground. Will you meet me by the water when the sun goes down? Bring the whiskey in your walking shoes. We can move through the desert with its thorns and nails, but we'll be moving any way we choose. Bye.